Hey loves, in today's video I will be creating these cherry red nails inspired by this gorgeous set that I saw on Instagram.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.
For today's tutorial, I will be using the Infilila full cover coffin nails in the colors natural and clear. Since I'm using both types of this nail, I will show you my mini Gel X application as well as how I apply the natural nail with just glue. I am starting with the regular nail glue application first. Here I am dehydrating my nail plate with alcohol. I am now using my buffing block to gently remove the shine from the surface of my nail plate. This will also help my press-on last longer. This is my favorite nail glue. It is by the brand Kiss. It is their Powerflex brush-on nail glue. To ensure that my press-on nails last up to 2 weeks, I apply glue to the inside of the nail itself as well as on my natural nail. Starting at my cuticle, I firmly press the nail down to make sure that the nail glue reaches from my cuticle to the free edge of my nail, as well as from sidewall to sidewall on the nail plate, ensuring that it is fully covered with glue. For my second application method, I will be using the Sensationail Gel Primer, the Model One's Base Coat Gel, and the Aimeili Builder Base. I have already applied the alcohol and buffed the nail plate. Now I am priming. I usually do 2 layers to ensure the longevity of my nail. I apply a thin layer of base coat and cure for 10 seconds. Moving on to builder base, I apply 1 coat and cure for 30 seconds. To increase the wear time of my nails when using this method, I like to use a medium grit ball bit to etch the wale of the nail. Now I am applying builder base to the inside of the nail. Using the same technique as before, I press the nail down from cuticle to free edge, ensuring that the gel is covering the entirety of my nail plate. Here I am curing under my small lamp for about 10 to 15 seconds, then I will fully cure in my big lamp for 60. On my index nail, I am applying the Major Dijit Jelly Glass Gel in shade 1. I applied 4 coats, curing each for 30 seconds. Then I applied a layer of top coat and cured for an additional 30 seconds. For my next design, I am using the Your Sugar Color Gel in the shade Mermaid Shell Pearl. I applied 4 coats of this color as well, again curing each for 30 seconds. Using a cosmetic sponge, I am stamping on the Burano Glitter Gel Polish in shade 15. Once I reach my desired opacity, I will then cure this nail for 30 seconds. To create my cherry stems, I am using the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 347 with my L-BOST nail art liner brush. I start off by drawing a V and then I do a little flick at the top for the leaf. For my gems, I'm using the opposite end of my liner brush to apply the Gadgets Entrepot Rhinestone Glue Gel. Now I'm applying the Aimeili No Wipe Top Coat. The red gems I am using are part of a 12-color set that I purchased from the beauty supply store. After placing my gems down, I will then cure this nail for 60 seconds. I am using top coat to seal in my gems. I will then cure for 30 seconds. For my next design, I am using one of my favorite gel polishes. It is the Modesa Gel Color in shade Nude 3. I applied 4 coats of this gel, curing each for 30 seconds. To create my V-cut French tip, I'm starting out by drawing a line from the tip of my finger diagonally across to the center of the nail on either side. I am now filling in that French tip design using 3 coats of this polish, curing each for 30 seconds. On my pinky nail, I am applying another 3 coats of the Beetles Gel Polish in shade 349, again curing each for 30 seconds. I had so much fun creating this set. I always enjoy drawing inspiration from pictures that I find on Pinterest or Instagram. I really love these nails. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Leave a comment below telling me what you think of this set, and until next time, bye loves!